Hi, welcome to the front and back carry position assembly instruction. The front and back carry position is for carrying one baby on the front and one baby on the back. You will be attaching both shoulder straps to one pouch and then connecting the pouches together. To configure in this position, you will be matching the solid tags from the shoulder strap to the pouch. Now let's break this down step by step. Attach the yellow solid tags from the shoulder strap to the pouch and buckle. Pull the safety elastic from the shoulder strap to the pouch over the buckle. Match the solid pink tags from the bottom of the shoulder strap to the side of the pouch and buckle. Now grab the shoulder strap from the other side and match the solid red tags from the pouch to the shoulder strap and buckle. Pull the safety elastic over the buckle. Now match the solid blue tag from the bottom of the shoulder strap to the side of the pouch and buckle. Now you will match the two red dotted tags together and connect the pouches. You are now ready to wear your babies in the front and back carry position.